Deep beneath Earth's surface, something invisible protects all life. The Earth's core spins constantly, generating the magnetic field that shields the planet from deadly solar radiation. For billions of years, humanity never noticed it. But one day, the core began slowing down. The first signs appeared in nature. The magnetic field started weakening. At first, the skies looked beautiful. But the beauty quickly became terrifying. Without the magnetic field, Earth became exposed to the sun. Radiation levels began increasing across the planet. Then the core stopped spinning. The magnetic shield collapsed almost instantly. The sun suddenly became humanity's greatest enemy. Many living creatures could not survive the exposure. The atmosphere reacted violently to the incoming solar energy. Humanity retreated underground, searching for protection from the skies. The planet itself began changing.
For the first time, humans feared the sun itself.
Without its spinning core, Earth was no longer protected. And the real disaster had only just begun. Once the core stopped spinning, Earth lost its invisible shield. The skies became filled with radiation and fire. The sun no longer gave life. Now it threatened extinction. Without the magnetic field stabilizing the atmosphere, Earth became chaotic. Many species could not survive the sudden exposure. Humanity retreated beneath the surface, desperate to escape the skies. The oceans absorbed enormous amounts of energy from the sun. Even brief exposure became dangerous. Wildfires spread across enormous regions.
For the first time in history, humanity feared daylight.
The atmosphere itself began weakening. Food became increasingly difficult to find. The climate spiraled into violent instability. The underground became humanity's safest refuge. From space, Earth no longer looked protected. The natural world entered survival mode. The sun continued bombarding the planet every hour. And slowly, Earth began losing the ability to protect life. The spinning core had always protected humanity silently. Now civilization understood its true importance. But the deeper humanity hid, and the worse the planet became. As the magnetic shield collapsed, Earth slowly became uninhabitable. Humanity could not remain underground forever. Every day, the sun bombarded the planet with deadly radiation. The natural world began collapsing rapidly. Food sources disappeared across enormous regions. The oceans absorbed enormous solar energy, changing Earth's climate completely. Entire populations abandoned their homes, searching for safer regions. The atmosphere remained violently unstable. Even sunlight itself became dangerous. The sun had once created life on Earth. Now it threatened to destroy it. Without the magnetic field, and the atmosphere slowly began escaping into space. The air itself slowly became thinner. The planet grew hotter and more hostile every year. Entire ecosystems vanished. Humanity adapted by retreating further underground. From space, Earth looked wounded and exposed. The glowing skies became permanent reminders of the planet's collapse. The sun never stopped attacking the weakened planet. Without its spinning core, Earth slowly stopped feeling alive. And humanity realized the planet might never recover. Earth had survived for billions of years because its core never stopped spinning. But now the planet was slowly dying. Without the magnetic field, the sun attacked Earth without resistance. Humanity adapted the only way it could, by hiding beneath the surface. The surface world became increasingly hostile to life. Entire species vanished within generations. The atmosphere continued weakening year after year. Breathing itself slowly became more difficult. The oceans began shrinking beneath relentless heat. The skies never looked normal again. From orbit, Earth resembled a wounded planet. Entire generations lived without truly seeing the surface. The sun slowly stripped away the planet's protection. Humanity retreated further into the Earth every year. The natural world collapsed piece by piece. The surface became almost impossible to survive. The glowing skies became symbols of a dying world. Without its spinning core, Earth slowly lost the ability to support life. Humanity survived. But survival no longer felt like living. The Earth's core had always protected humanity silently. Only after it stopped did humanity understand how important it truly was.